Stuart bring skates?
He doesn't have any yet, but he's gonna watch. So you know how long to put
Oh, look at those pretty skates.
I know. Never been used. We have to pay these days?
Yeah, $5. $5, right?
You can take the camera off, you know. That'd be nice.
John.
See Sandy's new skates? That's easy. You don't need pictures for that.
Where's your skates?
I didn't get any.
You want to wear mine?
Nope. Nope. Go right ahead.
You're way over there.
It's the first time since our church group.
It's pretty hard. I'm pretty nervous. What is that area over there?
That's hockey, but it's all wet because it's so warm out.
So I can skate around here though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. David, I don't want to fall. I don't want a broken hip. You're waiting for me to fall. David, please. I'll play.
Hey, Olaf, look.
Whoa.
Well, you think I could do that? I get pretty good out.
Anymore.
I get pretty good out here after a while.
Yeah, going around circles with your son.
Yeah.
You gotta try different stuff. This is a lot of work on the ankles.
You'll be sore in the morning. Oh, what a move.
How come you're not on varsity? Okay, quit saying that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got varsity just because you made one move? Doesn't take just one move.
How come you're not on varsity, Dallin?
Yeah, you making moves all day.
Yeah, you guys always got OD on.
Yeah, you got the varsity.
What'd you do, fall?
Yeah, I think I broke my rib.
Oh, I missed it. I hope it's on video. How'd your outing go? Who is this on the ice? I mean on the floor. How did it go? We have to go to the hospital?
Might have to.
I think my finger broke.
Huh?
I broke my finger.
Did you?
I can't.
How you like skating?
I love
Just
it.
like the old days.
I love it. Oh, I broke my finger.
That's my phone.
I hope I have that on video.
See it?
Yeah.